Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome if it is not opening on your Windows 11 PC. The first thing to do is close any Chrome processes that may still be running. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Look for Google Chrome or any Chrome background update processes. If you find any, right-click each one and choose End Task. After closing them, try opening Chrome again. If Chrome still does not start, rename the Chrome executable. Right-click your Chrome desktop shortcut and select Open File Location. Find the file named chrome.exe, right-click it, and choose Rename. Change the name to something like chrome1.exe. Then right-click the renamed file, select Send to, and choose Desktop Create Shortcut. Open Chrome using the new shortcut you just created. If the problem continues, reset your Chrome user profile. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %, and press Enter. Open the Google folder, then Chrome, and then User Data. Find the folder named Default. Right-click it, and rename it to Default. Backup. This keeps your old profile as a backup while allowing Chrome to create a new profile the next time it starts. Now launch Chrome again and check if it opens normally. Thanks for watching.